Imagine a creature that can grow as long as a school bus, boasts a heart that tips the scales at the same weight as an average automobile, and is home to a tongue of such gigantic proportions that it could comfortably accommodate 50 adults standing on it. This is no mythical beast from a fantasy novel or a legendary creature from an ancient fable. It's the blue whale, the largest animal to have ever graced our planet. This remarkable creature leaves even the largest dinosaurs in the dust with its sheer size. The blue whale's length can reach a mind-boggling 100 feet, which is approximately the size of 3 school buses lined up end to end. This aquatic behemoth is so colossal that its tongue alone weighs around 2.7 tons, which is roughly the same weight as 2 small cars. In the animal kingdom, nothing comes close to this leviathan's magnitude. But wait, there's more to this giant than just its size. An intriguing fact that might pique your interest: its tongue is so gargantuan. It's so humongous that it could fill an entire room. Imagine a tongue as large as a small apartment. It's really hard to wrap your head around the sheer scale of this incredible creature. The blue whale's enormity doesn't just stop at its physical attributes. It also extends to its diet. Despite its enormous size, this gentle titan of the ocean feeds mostly on tiny shrimp-like animals known as krill. Astonishingly, during the summer feeding season, a hungry blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill a day. That's roughly the weight of a small elephant. This truly is a testament to nature's grandeur, where size and gentility can exist in the same entity. Meet the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. In the summer feeding season, a blue whale gobbles up to 4 tons of krill a day. Imagine a sea creature with the ability to transform its color and even its texture in a mere instant. This majestic illusionist of the underwater world is the cuttlefish. Contrary to its name and common misconceptions, the cuttlefish is not a fish, but an extraordinary marine creature. A cephalopod, to be precise, with an incredibly intricate design and an astonishing ability to camouflage itself. It can modulate its appearance like an artist working on a canvas, blending flawlessly with its surroundings. Its flexible body, composed of soft tissues, allows it to adapt to various environments, making it practically unnoticeable to its predators. This stealthier and intelligent creature possesses a range of colors and patterns, making it the chameleon of the sea. It's like watching a living, breathing, swimming work of art. Its talent for instant disguise is not the cuttlefish's only fascinating feature. What makes it even more remarkable is the fact that cuttlefish possess not 1, not 2, but an astounding 3 hearts. Just think about it. 3 hearts tirelessly pumping life-giving blood throughout its unique body. Now you might be asking, what could possibly make this creature more astonishing? Well, how about the color of its blood? Unlike our traditional red, a cuttlefish's blood runs a strikingly different color, a beautiful shade of blue-green. It's almost as if this creature has been plucked straight out of a mesmerizing science fiction movie. Indeed, the cuttlefish holds many surprises. Talk about a creature straight from a sci-fi. Did you know about the immortal jellyfish? This marvel of the undersea world, a being of sheer wonder and intrigue, is nothing short of a miracle. This petite, see-through marine organism, first discovered in the Mediterranean Sea and later found in the waters of Japan, is a subject of fascination and study among biologists and marine conservationists alike. This jellyfish, bearing the scientific name Turritopsis dohrnii, possesses an extraordinary capability that seems to violate the very rules of nature, the key to unending youth. Yes, you heard right. This humble creature, barely the size of your fingernail, holds a secret that has baffled the scientific community for years. This secret lies in its unique life cycle. While most jellyfish die after they reproduce, the immortal jellyfish chooses a different path. When confronted with danger, injury, or even starvation, it has the ability to revert its cells back to their most primitive form, effectively becoming a younger version of itself. This cellular transformation is no less than a rebirth, allowing the jellyfish to develop afresh. Quite like an aquatic phoenix, don't you think? Rising from its own ashes, time and again, reborn anew each time it faces adversity. This incredible phenomenon of repeated rejuvenation is nothing short of miraculous. It has left scientists pondering the implications and applications of this biological immortality in other species, perhaps even humans. And here's an interesting tidbit for you. The immortal jellyfish stands alone as the only known creature in existence that can potentially live forever. And let's not forget about the mantis shrimp, a small, colorful marine crustacean with one of the fastest and most powerful punches in nature. This extraordinary creature, often overlooked due to its small size, is a force to be reckoned with. It boasts a kaleidoscope of colors, shimmering in the seawaters with a captivating vivacity that masks its hidden, monstrous power. Despite its small stature, typically measuring just a few inches long, the mantis shrimp possesses a punch that puts heavyweight boxing champions to shame. This remarkable punch is not a product of strength, but of evolution. The mantis shrimp's club, or dactyl, a specialized appendage, is spring-loaded. It's coiled up like a snake ready to strike, and when it does, it strikes with the velocity of a .22 caliber bullet. The punch is so unbelievably fast and phenomenally impactful that it can break glass aquarium walls. It's not uncommon to hear stories from aquariums all over the world who have had their displays shattered by these tiny titans of the ocean. Their punch is so powerful, it creates cavitation bubbles, tiny vapor-filled bubbles in water that collapse and release incredible amounts of energy, generating temperatures nearly as hot as the sun's surface for a split second. But the mantis shrimp's uniqueness doesn't end there. Here's a fun fact for you. The mantis shrimp has some of the most advanced eyes in the animal kingdom. It can see a spectrum of light that goes beyond what other creatures can perceive. This includes ultraviolet light, an ability that our human eyes can only dream of. This extraordinary vision, combined with its almost supernatural strength, make the mantis shrimp a marvel of the natural world. It can see ultraviolet light, something that our human eyes are unable to perceive. Finishing off our list, let's embark on a journey into the magnificent realm of the sea cucumber. A creature that is often overlooked due to its simple appearance, this seemingly unremarkable species is, in fact, a wonder of nature. This underwater creature has a myriad of unique qualities that make it stand out in the vast ocean. Among these qualities, the most fascinating one is its remarkable defense mechanism, a trait that has intrigued researchers and marine biologists alike for years. Additionally, this creature possesses an impressive stature. Although one might not expect it, some species of these underwater marvels can reach substantial lengths. Can you fathom a sea cucumber stretching up to an astounding 6.6 feet in length? That's a size comparable to that of a tall human being. If you think that's surprising, brace yourself for more. Their size is not the only thing that's impressive about them. Their defense mechanism, a unique and peculiar characteristic, is equally awe-inspiring. In the face of danger, the sea cucumber exhibits a behavior that's as intriguing as it is bizarre. It has the ability to expel its internal organs out of its own body in a bid to confuse and deter predators. This might sound alarming, even horrifying to us humans, but fear not. Despite the grotesque visual, this action is not as drastic as it sounds. The sea cucumber, a true master of survival, is known for its regenerative abilities. Believe it or not, it can regenerate its organs back in just a matter of weeks. An astonishing feat, wouldn't you agree? However, there's no cause for concern, as it can regenerate them back in just a matter of weeks. In sum, the ocean is a treasure trove of fascinating creatures, each with their unique characteristics and survival strategies. From the blue whale's massive appetite, the cuttlefish's masterful disguise, the immortal jellyfish's eternal youth, the mantis shrimp's powerful punch, to the sea cucumber's bizarre defense mechanism, the marine world is full of surprises. But do you know a fun fact? The ocean more than 70% of the Earth's surface and contains 97% of the world's water. Remember, these are just a few of the thousands of incredible sea creatures yet to be discovered and understood. So the next time you gaze out at the ocean, think about the wonders that lie beneath its surface and the vastness it represents. The sea is indeed a world of marvels waiting to be discovered.